If you're searching for a Google Advanced Data Analytics Certificate review, you're probably wondering if it's worth taking in 2026. The answer is yes, but this certificate is best for learners who already have basic data analytics knowledge and want to move toward data science and machine learning. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you a discount on the Coursera Plus annual plan, which is currently 40% off for a limited time. The Google Advanced Data Analytics Professional Certificate is designed to build on your existing data analytics skills. Throughout the program, you'll learn advanced statistics, Python, regression analysis, predictive modeling, machine learning, data visualization, and how to communicate data-driven insights to stakeholders. You'll also gain hands-on experience with industry tools like Python, Jupyter Notebook, and Tableau. One of the biggest strengths of this certificate is that it's highly practical. Instead of only learning advanced concepts, you'll complete hands-on projects, work with real data sets, build machine learning models, and finish a capstone project that you can add to your portfolio when applying for jobs. Since the certificate is created by Google, it has strong employer recognition and prepares learners for roles such as senior data analyst, data science analyst, and junior data scientist. It's self-paced, so you can learn on your own schedule, and many learners complete it in less than 6 months while studying part-time. Now here's something many people don't consider. If you only purchase this certificate today, but later decide to study AI, cybersecurity, project management, digital marketing, or other in-demand skills, paying for each certificate separately can quickly become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter investment. With one annual subscription, you get unlimited access to more than 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects from top organizations. Right now, the Coursera Plus annual plan is 40% off, bringing the price down to just $239 per year, which works out to less than $20 per month for unlimited learning across thousands of career-focused programs. If you're serious about advancing your data analytics career and want the flexibility to earn multiple industry-recognized certificates, check out the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the current offer ends.